Hi, it's Kevin here from Team Focus. Sometimes we all have data we'd rather others not see. So in this video, I'd like to show you how to turn on some of the secure text fields in Team Focus. Now, so having a quick look around this screen, you can see all these columns here. These are what we call fields in Team Focus. As I'm sure you're aware, you can add whatever fields you like to Team Focus. So in every task, you can store descriptions, hours, you can add whatever sort of things you like here. Now, one of the things you can add is a secure field. So what I'm going to do is show you quickly how to do that. Go up to the cog menu, go into change fields. Okay, now that's loaded. In this field, these are the fields that appear on your summaries. These are the fields that appear when you actually open up a task. What we're going to do is add a new one. So if you click on the what type you would like to add, go down to secure text. Now at this point, what would you like to call it? I'm going to call it login details. Now down here it says you want to just create a new key, which we do. We don't have any keys yet. And save that field. Now what Team Focus has just done is it's created a key for us. Now this is like a really secure password for your team. This is a password that you share with everyone in your team who has to be able to see this field. This is not like your normal password you use to log in. That identifies you as a user. This one identifies your team and is the key to decrypting all these fields. So you can either cut and paste that, or here I can just export that. I'll save that, and then I can just press on OK there. I'm going to grab that login details. I'm going to move it up to make it a summary field. Stick it up there. Save workflow. Now if I just go back home. Okay, now I've got this field over here. If I just expand that out a bit, you'll know you can resize columns. I can just update this field now. So in here, just the little padlock at the top tells you that it's a secure field. So now I can just click here. So anything I type there is now secure. Okay, so now you've done everything you need to do to get secure data into Team Focus. You've created a secure field in the workflow, you've got a key, the key is saved in your browser, and you've entered in some information into a secure field. So let's see what another team member would see. This is another browser. We'd just like it logging in as another team member. So from here, the other team member can see all these fields, all the text we've put in previously, the IDs, the hours, the workers, everything else. What I can't see is the new secure field. In order to see that, I'll need the key. So in order to get the key, all I need to do is click on this field, and you can see here Team Focus asks you to enter the key. If I jump back to this as the user who has the key, what I need to do now is go into the key manager. Go down to the key manager. And from here, I can just export my keys. You can see I've just exported them down the bottom. If I switch back into this one, now you put that file on a USB stick, take it to the team member's computer, plug it in, and when they get this screen, just say import. What we need to do is click on the file, choose the file. Those keys are now in this second team member's computer, and they can now see everything they need to see on these fields. They can update these fields as they need to. So that's really as simple as it gets. All you need to do is distribute the keys to all of your team members. You can use any secure method you like, a USB stick, something like BT Sync or Dropbox, whatever services you trust. Remember, you need the keys and Team Focus to be able to see your data, which means if Team Focus is ever forced to hand over your data to a government agency, the data will be useless. So now you know how to add secure text fields to your team. You can import and export keys to a USB stick, and you have everything you need to secure your data in Team Focus across your whole team. Thank you for your time.